The thing that a lot of people don't know is where their food comes from. And even the thing with agriculture is a lot of people, when they think agriculture, they think farming, cows, plows, and sows. But agriculture is just more than that. It's also beakers, speakers, and job seekers.
Mid-Michigan area is a huge agriculture location. We have a lot of kids that want to go into agriculture. So by Delta adding on this program, those kids don't have to go down to MSU, pay more money than what they need to. They don't have to go out of state. We know going into the program, if we want to, we can take that next step and go to Michigan State. It's not, oh, hey, maybe I'm gonna get there, maybe I won't. We know that that's a potential for us. And so then taking classes there and stuff, even the professors are amazing. You feel the support from them. I mean, they know that a lot of the students are in this program.
Our program is designed to meet the needs of our students. So the range that the students will learn here at the Michigan State University side, they're really focusing on the agriculture courses. So students will be taking a variety of courses: world of soils, entomology, the study of insects, the accounting courses on the Delta side. Also on the MSU side is the farm management, so really knowing how to basically doing the math before they even buy a piece of equipment, because they're looking at a $500,000 piece of equipment for a tractor, and we want to make sure that they know what they're getting themselves into before they even buy.
So really what we want to do is empower these students to transition into the workplace. So we have 11 students this semester, but they're usually small enough that we can get right up close and hands-on. And also when we go outside and walk around together, we don't get that far from each other and can, there's a lot of access to me and each other to talk about what we find.
There wasn't really too much that I needed to know beforehand. I kind of picked this ag tech program because it has a bunch of opportunities to see what all the different fields are like, and you get to see a bunch of different examples because we get to go out on field trips and stuff for school. Personally, for me, I find it really helpful because I'm a hands-on type of learner, because I kind of get bored just sitting down watching lectures and taking notes. That's kind of boring to me. But doing stuff like this where it's all hands-on and everything, it's a lot more interactive. It keeps my attention engaged and everything.
The big thing is you have to be open to learning. If you're not open to learn, then you're not gonna succeed. I mean, agriculture is ever-changing. I mean, things are different than what they were 10 years ago, even 5 years ago. I have heard actually from a local farmer is that his dad actually told him, you need to get off the farm and go experience things. Now, whether you decide to go study something in agriculture or not, you need to get off and get those other experiences. 10 years down the road, you're not making money anymore, but the people down the road are, because they took those couple years to go to college and, get a little bit more advanced knowledge, maybe that weed management styles or crop and soils. There's just so many different classes that you can take now to really help out, and to know that you are doing good and that you're helping a lot of people out kind of helps me go to bed a little easier at night.